Hello 250, I'm Warrant Officer 2nd Class Stark, and today I want to show you guys a brief visual demonstration of an aircraft's controls in flight. The visuals here are recorded in War Thunder, which is a game/flight simulator, and the aircraft I'll be flying is a Bell P-63 King Cobra, which I have marked up in Royal Canadian Air Cadet glider markings. So without any further ado, let's get rolling. Moving the control column left or right will cause the aircraft to roll in the corresponding direction. To initiate a left roll, the pilot must simply push the control column to the left. Here you can see that the left aileron is deflected upwards and the right aileron is deflected downwards. The aircraft will continue rolling left until pressure has been relieved from the control column. To perform a roll to the right, the pilot would simply have to move the control column to the right, which would then lead to the right aileron deflecting upwards and the left aileron deflecting downwards. Pushing or pulling on the control column will cause the aircraft to angle upwards or downwards. This movement is known as pitch. Pulling back on the control column will cause the elevators to deflect upwards. This will cause the aircraft to pitch up. Meanwhile, pressing forwards on the control column will cause the elevators to deflect downwards, which will in turn make the aircraft pitch down. Pressing on one of the rudder pedals with your foot will cause the aircraft to turn, or yaw, in that direction. When the right rudder pedal is pushed, the rudder will deflect to the right, which will in turn cause the aircraft to yaw to the right. It is important to note that yaw causes another force, known as inverse roll, which must be counteracted using the control column. When the left rudder pedal is pushed, the rudder will deflect to the left, which will cause the aircraft to yaw to the left. The rudder allows for directional control on the ground. It also allows for minor corrections to be made in flight, including stability and coordination throughout a turn. Using the rudder and the ailerons, you can complete a forward slip, which allows you to lose speed and create drag in the glider, and also permits for easier landings in high wind conditions. To do a proper turn, you'll have to use all three controls at once. Use your ailerons to keep you banked, your elevator to keep you from losing altitude, and the rudder to keep you coordinated so you don't spin out. And if you feel like doing something fancy, and your aircraft's up to it, you can even do a barrel roll.